Congressman. I was once introduced to an audience by a lawyer who kept his hands in his pocket. He introduced me as Mark Twain, a humorist who was really funny, a very rare creature indeed. I was struck dumbfounded by this thunderbolt. Never have I had a compliment so well phrased, or so richly deserved. I said, we have a much rarer creature in our midst than a humorist who's funny. We have a lawyer who keeps his hands in his own pocket.
You know, I've always thought that most lawyers, myself included, have a tendency to say more than is absolutely necessary. I remember the young lawyer who was defending a fellow for biting another fellow's ear off in a fight. There was only one witness. And when he got him on cross-examination, he said, "Now I want to know, did you see my client bite this man's ear off?" Which the witness said, "No, sir, didn't see that." Then he said, "How can you be so all-fired sure he bit it off? How you know that?" He said, "I saw him spit it out." This demand for a decent wage and an 8-hour day is not a demand to shirk work as has been claimed in this case. Gentlemen of the Commission, there is only one standpoint from which you have a right to approach this question. That is what will make the best American citizen to build up the best nation that we can be proud of. The laborer who asks for shorter hours asks only for a breath of life. Day after day, through these weeks, these strained black faces, as they sit here looking at you, feeling that all the hopes and fears are in your keeping. Their hearts go out to you. Their eyes are fixed on you. All the hope that they have as human beings in the world rests upon your verdict. But if your verdict shall be not guilty, there are still those who will kneel tonight and thank their God for the life and reputation you have saved. Out on our broad prairies where men toil with their hands, out on the oceans of the world where men are tossed and buffeted about by the waves, in the mills and in the factories and deep down under the earth, thousands of men, women, and children will kneel tonight and ask their God to guide your hearts.